take all of these beautiful vintage pink floral print pieces of lace and trims and buttons and textiles and turn it into a beautiful slow stitch project. Isn't this beautiful? This can be a journal cover, it can be a cute little embellishment on an end table or side table. It can be used as a little placemat. You can frame it. So many possibilities. This kit is available in my Etsy shop, Markets of Sunshine. It contains over 30 bits and pieces, which includes this heart template so that you can make a beautiful beaded applique embellishment, but the kit comes with this embellishment already completed for you. So this is the only completed piece in the kit. Everything else is all the cut pieces that you see here. So there's embroidery floss of 3 colors, vintage buttons in a variety of sizes and colors to complement it, and then all of the bits and pieces of fabric, laces, and trims that come in the kit. The kit is in my Etsy shop, Markets of Sunshine. So express your modern lifestyle and make something fabulous with these pieces today. This is kit number 1 in my new slow stitch kit collection that's available in my Etsy shop, Markets of Sunshine. And each kit will come with a completed beaded heart that will match the color palette. So I'm going to be listing these in color groupings. So the next grouping is going to be coming to the shop next week. So there will be 1 kit released a week, and there will be a total of 8 kits in each collection, in each color grouping. So there's 8 in pink, and then next week there'll be another kit that will have a completely different color theme and a new beaded heart embellishment piece, new vintage buttons, beautiful laces and trims for you to play with and have a great time relaxing and doing a slow stitch project. So keep creating in the sunshine, and I hope to see you as a new customer in my Etsy shop.
Sugar, oh honey, you are my candy girl, and you got me wanting you.
Pick the club that expresses your modern lifestyle, our nature therapy club or our gratitude journal club, maybe the fitness walking club, and also the pen pal club. The link is in the description box below. See you soon in the club.